Guess what? I just finished this Twisted series yesterday at night. और जब मैंने कल रात को Twisted series ख़त्म की, I was like, the characters are still into me और मैं उनको अभी तक महसूस कर रही हूँ. Like वो अंदर घुस गए और मेरे दिल के कोने में छुपे हुए हैं. I just can't wait to talk about these books. And this looks so pretty. I'm literally
about books after, I guess, 8 months.
मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या कहूँ जब बुक्स आपके अंदर तक बैठ जाते हैं. यू आर स्टिल इन टू दैट कैरेक्टर्स, फिगरिंग आउट लाइक हु इज़ योर फेवरेट वन, एंड नाउ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू सी देम अगेन फ्रीक्वेंटली, एंड दिस हर्ट्स रियली. सो अगर आपका कुछ अलग नहीं है देन कंटिन्यू द वीडियो. सो बुक लवर्स, अगर आप वो लोग हैं जो कहानियों में घुल जाते हैं एंड यू जस्ट स्टार्ट इमेजिनिंग योर सेल्फ एज द कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम द बुक, then I guess you are going to enjoy this episode. So चाय कॉफ़ी जो आपको पसंद है प्लीज़ लेकर बैठो, बिकॉज ये इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर इज़ गोइंग टू मेक सो मच फन एंड यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू लव दिस वीडियो एंड द रिव्यू ऑफ ऑल द बुक. ये हाइप किस वर्थ का है और ये जो पूरे इंटरनेट ट्विटर पे भरा पड़ा हुआ है, is it even worth reading or not? I'm going to tell you each and everything, which is my most favorite one, which I hated the most, everything I'm gonna tell. So please watch till the end. Okay, series में you're going to feel everything, like थोड़ी सी mystery, थोड़ा सा streamy moments जो आप पसंद करते हैं, like
सब कुछ होने वाला है कैरेक्टर्स के साथ. ये इतने रियल लगेंगे आपको कि आप हमेशा के लिए भूल जाओगे. लाइक इवन योर लाइफ एग्जिस्ट इन दिस वे.
सो अगर आप नए हैं इस पूरी जर्नी में तो जल्दी फटाफट जाओ, सब्सक्राइब का बटन प्रेस करो एंड यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द नोटिफिकेशंस एज आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड द स्पाइसी नॉटी वीडियोज़. ओके, एंड एक भी वीडियो छोड़ना मत क्योंकि इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आई एम गिविंग यू अगेन एंड अगेन द एक्सक्लेमर. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इज़ इट वर्थ द हाइप और नॉट. पहले तो ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि ये बुक्स स्टैंड अलोन की तरह भी रीड किए जा सकते हैं एंड इट्स लाइक यू कैन रीड इट इवन इन अ सीरीज़. बट मैं कहूँगी कि इफ़ यू आर अ रीडर देन गो फॉर अ सीरीज़ बिकॉज द होल सीरीज इज़ ओके. ठीक है, थिंक अबाउट फर्स्ट बुक दैट इज़ ट्विस्टेड लव. इट्स ऑल अबाउट एलेक्स एंड एवा. It's like Alex is a billionaire boy and Eva is a sunshine girl. He has given a pet name for her. He calls her like sunshine and all. This book is all around a girl named Eva. And the series is all around her best friends. Like Eva has her 3 best friends, and this book, this whole series revolve around this 4 best friends' love life. Like Eva, Jules, Bridget and Stella. These are the 4 best friends, and each of the book contains their love stories. Okay, so first is about Alex and Eva and like what all this billionaire boy does for this cute little girl. It's all in this roller coaster. Emotional is guaranteed. Like it's going to be a roller coaster of emotions, and I think what I will rate for this book is I'll tell you at last. Okay, then comes the second book. It is Twisted Games. Okay, so in this book Rice और Bridget, ये
दोनों की कहानी है इसमें.
and this boy is a royal bodyguard of this princess, and she is the princess of the kingdom, and then later on she becomes the queen of the country, and then they both get married and all. So जो बीच वाली कहानी है, it's going to be so much fun about these 2 people. I can say this guy is the greenest flag ever. Like he's the Amazon forest for me. Not green flag, not green forest, is the Amazon forest for me. Like he has done so much for her girl but has not even messed up even one time. Like I just love him. Okay, and it's a perfect mixture of love, power and fight and drama and blah blah blah. So third comes this book which is Twisted.
No, sorry. Third comes this book.
That is Twisted Hate. Okay, so talking about this book, it's all about enemies to lover. Obviously, it's enemies to lover. This book contains of Jules and Josh. It's very Joshi. Okay, it has a lot of drama into it. I guess I loved this book so much. Okay, I have to tell you that I loved this book. It's very messy, painful and unforgettable for me actually. मेडिकल ड्रामा का स्पाइसी कुछ अलग है यार. It's very much worth the hype. The last book is Twisted Lies. Like, I literally started this a year ago and I completed the 3 of the books, but my exams and all were going on, so I was not able to complete the 4th book, and I just completed it yesterday night. And I can't stop talking about the books. As you can see, it's all about Christian Harper and Stella. Christian is basically boss of राइस, मतलब जो ट्विस्टेड गेम्स में था उसका ये बॉस होता है. एंड स्टेला इज़ बेसिकली द 4th मेंबर इन द गर्ल गैंग. एंड विद दिस बुक द ट्विस्टेड सीरीज गेट टू एन एंड. इसमें इट्स ऑल अबाउट वेरी क्यूट कहानी है इन लोगों की. ये वो मोमेंट है सारे सीक्रेट्स एंड लाइज गेट एक्सप्लोर्ड एंड लाइज किस हद तक हर्ट कर सकते हैं. इट्स ऑल अबाउट दैट. अब मैंने सबका थोड़ा रिव्यू तो दे दिया. आई लाइक व्हाट इज़ इट इन दैट बुक. एक्चुअली आई गिव यू ऑल द रिव्यू अबाउट इट. नाउ आई वांट टू टेल यू कि मेरी फेवरेट कौन सी है, मेरी बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई ऐसी बुक कौन सी है. आई वॉन्ट टू जस्ट टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग. पहले आप बताओ, क्या आपने ट्विस्टेड सीरीज़ पढ़ी हुई है? Like, there are people who watch reviews after they have read it, and if yes, just drop in heart and comment so I can understand what you feel about it. And if you don't like, then put a broken heart in the comment section. Please do it fast. I'm eager to read the comments, and the people who are going to see this video, it's really going to be fun. अपने चाय कॉफ़ी लेके तो बैठे हुए ना. Okay, just feeling very much. Okay, that. पहली बात, my favorite book is, they are my two favorite books. Okay, these two are my top favorites. I just love them so much, so much, because these guys and the people, the girls, I just love the plotting, the story, the way they have plot, the climax, the closure. I am into the love of the author who wrote this and all. I like this book because the guy in this is very good. Even the guy in this is very good. I literally love the girl who she is, like Jules. I like her attitude, the way she speaks, the way she walks, and my god, I just love it. And here she is the princess of the full kingdom, and she rules it. That's such a good thing for their relationship. I just love it. Now comes the book I hate. Not kind of hate, but I did not like it. Is this book. After reading the first book of Twisted, I was so much disappointed. I literally thought that I should not continue the series, but I had got a gift of the whole book. मतलब द सीरीज़ मेरे को पूरी गिफ्ट मिली थी, सो मेरे को वो रीड करनी थी. आई जस्ट कांट वेस्ट द बुक्स लाइक दिस कीपिंग इन माई वार्डरोब. सो आई वॉज बेसिकली टू मच डिसअपॉइंटेड बाई दिस बुक बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी फास्ट रीड एक्चुअली. मतलब ये बहुत फास्ट होता है जो भी होता है इस बुक में, एंड इट्स नॉट वर्थ द हाइप, आई कैन से. I just did not feel connected to the characters in this book. The girl, she was actually nice. Even the men was nice, but I just did not feel they had any chemistry between them. Okay, then comes this book. This is a book I can rate actually 4 because it's not my favorite one or nor my not favorite one. But I do like this book a little. There are places and moments I can't describe. The readers will know what I want to say, but I loved this book actually. I loved the efforts from this book, the efforts he puts for that girl. It's literally extreme. He just breaks his every rule for that girl. But this book, as I told, it's all about lies, and it is on the plot lies. So you're going to get an bada sa sadma after reading it. Actually, I cried in this book a lot. I even cried in this book because it was so much. Actually, this book was a little imaginary, kind of, but the hate was so real. Like, they hated each other, like, they would kill each other, and then they were so much into each other that they would kill someone else if they come in between them, and it was very much nice. I can say. Now tell me, आपके क्या thoughts है इस पूरे Twisted series के बारे में? Please comment down what are your suggestions about this Twisted series, and I'm going to definitely read and reply you back because I do reply people back. And पहले तो मैं बहुत excited हूँ. What is your opinion? Because there are people, my friends, who have loved Twisted Love, and I'm like, how can you just do this? सो प्लीज़ लोग ऑफेंड मत हो जाना क्योंकि मैंने इतनी बुराई जो कर रखी है ट्विस्टेड लव के बारे में. बट आई कैन से रेस्ट ऑफ द बुक्स आर वर्थ योर मनी. एंड अगर अब तक ये वीडियो पहुंचा है तो प्लीज़ टेल मी दैट विच इज़ योर नेक्स्ट रीड आफ्टर ट्विस्टेड सीरीज, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एट ऑल द नेक्स्ट रीड. आई हैव स्टार्टेड अ बुक बट आई एम नॉट connecting to the books because I've read this, and now my standards are so much high in case of reading. Before bye bye, I wanna say, तो ये थी मेरे ट्विस्टेड सीरीज़ की जर्नी, और ये कहानी सिर्फ इधर ख़त्म नहीं होगी. There are going to be more of videos like this and which are going to give you spice and give you थोड़ा सा drama. Like, I can't reveal all the drama, please. I'm really sorry for that because I'm not allowed to. Book readers are going to kill me if I do this, because spoiler is the worst thing anyone can do if they are reviewing the book. I can just tell you my opinion and my reviews about the book, but I cannot give you spoiler. You just message me, I can tell you like that. Okay, then अगर आपको ये सीरीज़ पढ़नी है तो I can say you can definitely give it a chance, but just don't get demotivated after reading Twisted Love, because I was also literally demotivated after just reading it, and I thought that it's not worth reading any further book of the series. But please ऐसे बीच में से मत छोड़ना. एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन योर फीलिंग्स, योर कमेंट्स, और मेरे को भूलना मत, अगर ऐसी आपको स्पाइसी चीज़ें चाहिए तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब डाइवर्स.